guys, it's Kriseya from Riddler's Way. Right here we have a pine stump. I'm about to actually show you something really cool. So what's left here is the heart of the pine, and I'm going to take this little piece here, I'll get my knife down in there, wiggle and pry. Alright. Get my knife in a safe spot. We only need a little bit of this. That part looks right nice. Got my lighter. Now watch what happens when I light it. Daddy, is it true that it's the turpentine that makes it do that?
Well, it's the resins that are in the pine. All the water has evaporated out, and the only thing that's left are the resins. Turpentine is a rendering of
really
that.
Cool.
Try lighting it again. You will see a very similar effect if you hold it upside down and like climb up on you. Yeah, it's going to burn. Well, right. Well, it's going to have more fuel. When it's burning there, it's only going to suck up as much fuel as it can. It can make a really good torch, but you have to make sure that you give it new fuel, like of itself, like let it catch up. Every time like that, at some point it's going to suck up as much as it can and it's going to burn out. But you will find that the pine pitch or pine tar that just on the outside of a wounded pine, or sometimes they just weep, but that snap will burn very much like this, depending if it's softer and gooier, that means it has more of a liquid content, probably water. But when that dries, it gets really hard, then it's just straight resin, and that will burn as good as any lard or fat, probably even hotter.
That's really cool.
Yeah. So
awesome, guys. Thank you for watching and learning with me. I'll see you next time. Please like, share, and subscribe.